Well, I can't state this enough. Potentially, how dangerous some of this heat could be in the Midwest and the eastern part of the country, and even the Northeast coming into next week, especially. And looking at the latest Euro here, I mean, just look at these atmospheric heights. Now, it does appear that the heart of this may set up further to the east than Indiana, but some of these, when you look at these height values, 594 decameters at 500 millibars in the atmosphere. It shows how thick the atmosphere is. And those values correspond with a lot of warm, expanding, rising heat, which of course suppresses lift at the surface and compresses at the surface. So it expands up in the atmosphere and compresses at the ground, and you get some really high temperatures. And when you start getting over this 591, 594, you easily can have highs in the 90s. But what really concerned me here, this is right, you got 597 even, and 594 all the way into Canada. That easily could support the 90s. And look around Baltimore, Washington, and into Philadelphia, New Jersey, most of Virginia. 597, and check this out. Look at here. 600 even popping up near the nation's capital, potentially near Williamsburg, Virginia, and near the Delmarva. Atmospheric heights of 600 decameters could very easily support 100 degrees in some of these areas. Definitely the mid to upper 90s. And it's persistent. It's for days. This is going all the way in towards the end of next week, going into next weekend, starts to let up there. The ridge begins to, as lower heights begin to come back into the Great Lakes, and that's something we'll watch for weather going into next weekend and early next week. But those are some dangerously high temperatures that are going to be possible from the Midwest into New England, and I would especially be careful around that Baltimore, Washington, Delmarva area around Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We could have some triple-digit heat in those areas, and stagnant air mass. Air quality will be bad, high humidity. So please limit your outdoor activities going into early next week as we into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, particularly in the Delmarva region and toward D.C., as this could be some serious heat.